dedicate this song to my mom. I gotta say goodbye to her one last time, but it just doesn't seem like it. I have some very important things that I wanted to tell her. Now I'm saying, mama cry, mama hate, mama don't go, mama take my hand one time, tell me that you love me. I just wanna hear it one more time, but it's nah. You took your last breath, you fell and you collapsed. I guess it was God calling, I guess it was my time to say goodbye. Hell, I guess it was all of our kids' time to say goodbye. Now you're in heaven, and now you're watching over us, and you're telling us every day that you love us, but you don't appear in my dreams anymore. It's like I'm blocked out and I'm living to the devil, but I don't give a fuck what anybody tells me. I want my mama back and I cry myself to sleep every day. My depression's getting worse, don't know how to talk about it, can't bear the pain. I just wanted to put the fucking gun to my head and I wanted to squeeze, but I knew I couldn't cause I made a promise to you. No, I don't. I just wanna say yes. I don't wanna say goodbye. I never wanted to come to this. I never wanted it to end like it did, but I guess it did. I was the last kid ever in life just to tell you that I loved you, but I never really cared about nobody but myself. I was a selfish, immature asshole who didn't care. All I really wanted in life was a crime and a few things here and there, but it wasn't how I wanted it to be. It wasn't how you promised me, and it wasn't how I told myself I wanted my life to be. Now I'm saying goodbye, and it's my last words that I ever got out. It's everything that I did. Mama, please don't go. Mama, please take my hand. Mama, please tell me one time that you love me. Tell me that you hate me, something. I just wanted to hear your voice one time. I didn't want to say no. I don't want to tell you no. I just want to say yes. I don't want to say goodbye. I don't want to say goodbye. I don't want to tell you no. I just want to say yes. I don't want to say goodbye. I don't want to say goodbye. I said goodbye, it tore my heart out. Now I'm forcing myself to cry, but I can't even get the tears out. It's like my eyes suck them right back in, cause it's saying, nah man, you a man, can't cry. I guess I didn't care what anybody told me. I didn't want to cry, I didn't want to hate, but it's what it's come to. Now I'm looking back saying, what the fuck, dog? Everything happened for a reason. I guess that's why I write songs, just to tell my mama goodbye. And a lyric for a man, that's a shame. Couldn't even say it in person, oh wait I did, but it doesn't seem like it. I twist and turn in my bed every night. I try my hardest to dream of my mama, tell her that I love her, tell her have all the good times. Let's go to the park, let's do this, let's do that. But it never happened like that. Don't want to tell you no. I don't want to say goodbye. I don't know if it comes to me. I don't want to tell you no. I just want to say yes. I just want to say yes. I don't want to